Hello everybody, welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I'm the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. We have a special guest today, direct from WAGO in Germantown, Wisconsin, Clayton Windsor.
Yep.
Clayton, what's your role over there? Because I don't think anybody at Standard Electric knows.
So I've worn a few hats at WAGO, but I'm currently our Regional Sales Manager here in Southeast Wisconsin. It's basically the greater Milwaukee area.
And I was just kidding. We do know what Clayton does.
We've worked together quite a bit, huh?
We have. And I guess you have something today for us in this special box.
Something new, yeah.
And I'm gonna grab a knife and see what we can do. Sorry, be careful. I'm not good with this. I haven't killed anybody yet.
Oh well.
Just a little blood.
The day is young, right?
It is. Watch out. I'm getting excited. I'm getting giddy.
Should I tell you about this, or do I let you?
We're going to.
Okay.
We're gonna throw that over here.
All right.
This looks like one of your new Eco Power Supplies.
Absolutely, and you'll notice how small it is, right?
It is
so we've talked a lot about Pro 2 power supplies over the last several years.
And
this is our Eco line that is growing. We've released a few different variants, and this is the newest 2.5 amp variant of
I was going to say
Eco
40 amp.
No, this is
only
2.5. This is 2.5, correct.
This is actually a very, very lightweight.
Compact.
I see it's a polyester or plastic design on this one, so it is probably pretty economical.
Very economical, yes. You get lever-actuated wire inputs like you do with the rest of the Eco 2 family.
Do you snap the heck out of your fingers?
No, they stay open, but if you get your finger under there, yeah, you'll feel it.
Not like the 222s. Oh my God, those things are nasty.
Yeah, the popularity of the lever, we're adding it in places we haven't had it before. So wire-to-wire pluggables, terminal blocks, and of course power supplies.
And din rail mountable. It's got the spring.
That's right.
With the latch. And you need a screwdriver to pop her off.
Pop it off of the rail, but you'll notice, I mean, very small. You get a DC OK indication there, and then you have a potentiometer there that you can adjust up or down for your longer cable runs.
So what are we talking about range-wise on voltage increase?
I believe it goes up to 28 volt.
So probably 21, 28 volt
Correct,
type
yeah.
thing.
Yep.
You can adjust a little bit.
Yes,
So-
sir.
And I'm just throwing that number out there. But,
Yeah, so
and this one is a dual voltage, so we can do everywhere from, was that 85? I'm old.
yeah, that's okay. Yeah, it's just under 100 up to 240 volt in.
So
And 2.5 amp output.
So what else do you have? I see you got some
it's
little brother.
It's a family of products. So you've got your 1.5, very small, very lightweight.
2.5, 1.5.
And then this is your 5.
And then
so
the bigger brother.
The 5 you go up to a metal housing. There's also a 10 volt or a 10 amp version.
A 10 amp version.
Yep. With the 5, you not only get the DC OK indicator, but you also get the overload indicator. And yeah, metal housing on the 5 and the 10 amp, plastic housing on the 1.5 or 1.25 and 2.5.
Okay. So I really appreciate you bringing this along.
Absolutely, and this is a family of products that I think will continue to grow.
And you guys have the high-end ones too that have communications modules, all that. So
Absolutely.
we can go from the lower cost units to the very high-end full functionality ones.
That's
as
right.
well.
That's
So
right.
Make sure you contact our account managers and get your WAGO power supplies. And thank you very much for
Thank you,
coming.
brother. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next Unboxing with Bill.